Hello, welcome back to my channel Glamupwithdiva and I am Diva. चलो मुझे नहीं जानते, जान लो तुम्हारे लिए फ़ायदा है बिकॉज बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो तुम्हें डेली यूज़ में काम आएंगी. ओके, तो हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन राइट नाउ. So guys, we are going to test some new makeup products today, and yes, the brushes are also new in market. And yeah, it's been quite few months now, but yes, we are going to test it for the very first time, and I hope you guys will love it. So guys, I'm talking about Pack X Jovita collection of 8 makeup brushes for all you need. So now, let's check it out. This comes with this beautiful pouch, and now let's start our beautiful makeup. So guys, this is the final look I have achieved from these beautiful 8 brushes, and yes, you can buy yours from Nykaa. I'll be mentioning the link, and yes, do keep watching my other videos, like, comment and subscribe my channel for more. Bye!